How to fix Viber not sending any messages. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Viber not sending any messages. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step here is just open up a Viber and try to send a message. If you're not able to do so, just check your Wi-Fi connection. Make sure you're connected to your internet and the internet connection is a stable one. You can even try to simply turn on and turn off your airplane mode as well. If that does not fix your issue, what you can do is you can clear out your Viber's cache. For that, open up your settings. On your settings, go to General. After you're on your General, go to iPhone Storage. On your iPhone Storage, search for your Viber app. And after you find Viber app, simply tap on the Offload app option and offload the app. After you offload the app, just reinstall the app and check if the problem is still there. If the problem is still there, head over to your App Store and search for Viber there. Now what you'll have to do is update your Viber to the latest version. What this does is any bugs and any issue that might be causing that problem will get fixed as new updates come up with bug fixes. So tap on the update button and update the app. And after that, your problem will get fixed. Thanks for watching guys. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.